This is a 2021 Hyundai Sonata, and to replace the condenser you need to remove these, which snap in, and there's one bolt. You take the bolt, pull them up both sides. You have to remove the bumper. Pretty easy. There's just a bolt here and then the rivets on both sides. We take those off. There's also a wire here that plugs into the bumper. You take that off. All that's pretty simple. Then you take the bumper reinforcement off. There are 4 12s and 2 10s, 12, 12, and 10, 10 on both sides. Then there's a connector here, right there, that goes in right there. You take that off. And then you remove these. This may be either a 12 or a 14 for you. Boom, boom. These are on here too. Let's see. So that goes on like that. There's a pop rivet there, a 10 there. Same thing here, a 10 there, a pop rivet there. And then, let's see. That's basically it for the parts. And then all you got to do is pull this, click it back, boom. Pop it up like that, and then like that, and then all you have to do is pull the bottom up, out, and then you just gotta wiggle this through here. It comes right out. It's super easy to do. So you guys can figure out the PAG oil for yourself. That's what I used. You do have to put some in here, so you guys can figure that out on your own as long as you can get it out. That's the hard part, but it's pretty simple. And yeah, I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. Have a good day. Peace.